by being able to give them hands-on experience with industry-level equipment. We're sending students out into college or into the workforce with a leg up. Trumbull Career Technical Center is a career tech education facility. We have 20 schools in Trumbull County who all send 11th and 12th graders here if they choose to come here to pursue those career paths.
We offer 32 career and technical programs. We have a lot of initiatives here in our building that help our students to become college and career ready.
I don't know that a lot of schools really do have media centers. I feel like we really do have a media center. We still have books, we still have computers, we still have printers, all of those kinds of traditional things. But then we also are able to offer everything from virtual reality to 3D printing to vinyl printing to green screens and everything in between.
I love seeing student ideas go from concept to product, and for them that real-world hands-on experience is priceless.
It was one thing before they could create it, give an assignment and say, you're going to create this project and it's going to be, so large, yet you can't print it. Now they actually get to see it.
The school's goal is to make students ready for either college, career, or enlistment perhaps as well. So it's to help students achieve their career goals. With the Media Center specifically, it's to allow students access to hands-on things to make their projects come to fruition. So as students come in with project ideas, I really try to say, yes, let's figure it out.
We try to provide students with 21st century skills to allow them to be college and career ready. And I believe that our job is to provide students with as many opportunities as we can to help them find their purpose and their passion.
When we hear the success stories of what we're providing for the students in Trumbull County, I just think it's a no-brainer. We have to do what's best for kids.
So our goal is to have equipment that is similar to what they would experience in industry, so that it's kind of cutting edge and really preparing those students for their next step.
We designed a life-size car graphic for a student who has a race car. The numbers, the flames, sponsors. We brought in real-life situations, which we want to do. That's exactly what we do here.
The Roland equipment has been awesome, and we use our vinyl printer cutter an awful lot. It's running daily.
You get to use that larger format. You get to apply the cut lines. They didn't understand that concept before. So for them to be able to get to see how it'll print out and then come back and do all the cuts, it just really brings another realistic aspect into what people are doing.
We've had no issues, very reliable. What we set in the lab when we come over here to print, the color is spot on.
We print all sorts of things, from stickers for little students all the way up to TCTC logos that we put on various pieces of equipment, to graduation banners, to signs for customer service. We also have the MDX 50 mill that we use the engineering students as well, because they do a lot. They learn CAD, and so they're able to design in 3D. They have a small mill in their lab, and they have one 3D printer, but we're able to have more here. And so it just gives them more access to equipment to make their 3D modeling projects come to life as well.
This isn't just important to TCTC. This is important to all the schools, because I think that this type of equipment is going to permeate into all of our career fields.
I didn't have a graphic design background, but with VersaWorks, we were able to learn those pretty quickly. And the students, I learned so much from them. And students are fearless. So anytime I'm like, oh, I'm not sure, they're like, come on, Miss Adding, let's just try it. And 9 times out of 10, it works. The students come out of here with so much exposure to things that I don't think a lot of students do have exposure to. And so we're able to just give them that extra boost before sending them out.